Cheep Cheep can find anything shiny. Cheep Cheep, do you want to play a game with us?
Tommy Gobber. Kippin Bjug. Kippin Moor. Gahintach.
It looks like Cheep Cheep is busy working on her nest.
Gobber. Shinee Horde.
Why don't we call on Bamba instead? Call and play with us when you're finished, Cheep Cheep.
Rubber.
Hello, Bamba.
Djúrigo Horde.
Fia made us all a game to play.
Himmert? Ach, ní féidir le mimmert. Rasig obair.
Slán.
Slán a Horde.
Bamba needs some time to finish his Uber in the workshop.
We can still have a great scavenger hunt with Pip and the Fairies.
Eros. Sutalun Elle. Accordia. Would you like to play a game with us?
Immert, we'd love to. No time to Immerts just yet. We're collecting Sutalum to make jam. Suv. But don't worry, we'll be finished in an hour or so.
Aww.
Uber first and Immerts later.
Can you do a scavenger hunt with 2 people?
You can, but it's not as fun with just one person on each team.
Aww.
That's it. If our RTÉjr were finished Uber sooner, then everyone could be like Immert. Why don't we do the Uber as a team?
Yeah, good idea.
Arrivlin!
Blast their fad.
Oh, wow.
Thanks.
Ooh.
Go hauling.
Mashim.
Eros.
Guramila Mahaki Fia and Mir for helping with our Uber. Fia!
Huh?
I think Cheep Cheep wants to say Gurav Mahagwev as well.
Wow.
It's just like the one we need to find in the game.
I guess the game's already started.
We were Egg Immert and Egg Uber at the same time.
What else do we need to find? Anything shiny? Cheep Cheep can be on my team.
Kinte.
Arrivlin.
Mahoo!